This is Joost from DIYPhotography.net, and we're here with Jose at NAB 2019 at Core SWX, and you got something really interesting here. This is the Powerbase.
Yep, that's our Powerbase Edge. It's a battery for the smaller 7.2 volt market, so you know, your smaller DSLRs, your handhelds, your
A7 III, GH5, that type of stuff.
GH5, GH4s, A7Ss, things like that.
Yeah.
So your smaller, more independent owner-operator kind of cameras.
Yeah. So, and what can we do with them? It's a power unit. You power your camera, you power other equipment. How does it work?
Yeah, so it doubles two ways. Doubles as a V-mount battery.
Yeah.
If you wanted to mount it to your quarter 20 on your camera, then you can also mount it to the tripod head.
Yeah.
So you always have a connection on the tripod. At the same time, we have two USBs and two power taps. We have our smart tap, which would give you battery communication and information.
All right.
Then we have a normal power tap. They're both 12 to 16 volts.
So with the smart tap, you can see on the camera how the battery is, the charge is.
Well, yes, depends on the power tap port that you're using and the cable. Then we also have a backlit LCD that gives you a down to the minute runtime.
Mm-hmm.
It's a 40 watt hour battery. So for instance, on a camera like a Canon 5D, which is about 7 watts, you'll roughly get about 5 hours of runtime.
Oh, that's a lot.
On just the camera, yeah. So you can definitely have a all-day shoot kind of thing.
Yeah.
Obviously, when you start putting more accessories on there, monitors, recorders, and things like that, you're definitely going to diminish some of that runtime, but you're still going to have more than your average battery.
Yeah, but the good thing is you only have to swap out one battery if you need to.
Yeah, you just
power everything off one.
Yeah, and not 4 or 5 times. It's really lightweight, really small. You can see it here, like on the GH4.
Yeah.
Fits nice in a cage. Very handheld.
And it's flight friendly.
Very flight friendly.
That's very good.
You get the TSA logo right there, so you can definitely take it on a plane with you.
Yeah.
Carry on. Never check a lithium-ion battery. So
cool. And then why would you choose this over a normal V-mount battery, for example?
Well, honestly, it's all about preference and your setup.
Yeah.
It's gonna be something that you just want, a quick shoot. You're not lugging around a lot of power, so you don't need that much watt hours. If you're going to put bigger monitors, you're going to put lights and things like that, then you're probably, and you're going to have a rail system, you're probably going to go with something more onboard.
Yeah.
And more wattage. So it's honestly just the application.
Yeah. And will it run at the same time as an internal battery on the camera?
Yeah, so you'll power off the camera and that's power off all the accessories simultaneously.
All right, cool. And is there different versions available, or how do I see that?
So the way it works is you have this DC out, and depending, it's the same battery for every camera. You would look at which camera you have, and then we'll just get you the corresponding cable, so you can have one battery, 7 different cables for 7 different cameras, and you always have a different solution.
Perfect. Sounds great. And when is it available?
It's available now.
Cool.
Yep.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Great. And what's the price range?
You're looking at about $425 list.
All right. Perfect. Well, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. That was Core SWX for NAB 2019. I'm Joost of DIYPhotography.net, and we'll be walking around some more. Also, make sure to check the link in the description. We're giving away over 8,500 worth of cinema goodies, so check the link in the description, and we'll be seeing you around.